Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Kodak EasyShare G600 printer on a computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, right click on that downloaded driver file and click on extract all. Click on next. It will create a folder on the same location where you have downloaded the file. And this is the driver that you need to install. We will install it later, so please close it for now. So let's start installing it manually. Please click on start button and click on printer and scanners. Then click on add a printer and choose the first option, add a local printer, and now choose the printer port. USB 001 is recommended. Please click on that and click on next, and then click on have disk. Here it is asking for the drivers, so please click on browse button, click on have disk, and then click on browse button and go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. Select the first file and click on open. Click on OK. And now select the model number of your printer and then click on next. Then click on next again. Now click on do not share this printer and then click on next. And finally click on finish. As you can see on your screen, the printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.